Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can add PayPal smart buttons into your Shopify store if you have installed the narrative theme into your store, right? So how you can do that, I will be showing you step by step. So you know that we have needed the credit card functionality of the PayPal. So I have also done some research and then I tried to add the code and that worked for me. All right, so I thought that I need to share with you as well. So I have already created few other videos, so I will be giving you the link in the description. So you will have needed the client ID from the PayPal account, so I will be adding the link in the description. So you should follow that video and you will get the client ID which we will be using in this video, right? So here you can see that we have the PayPal button, then we have the debit or credit card buttons. So both these buttons we will be learning in this video that how you can add if you have not any coding experience. All right, so if you are not sure about the coding, then still you can able to do the things by your own, right? So if I am refreshing it now, then these buttons would be removed because I have removed the code. So I will be injecting the code once again. So let me show you over here. So we have this theme. So this is the dashboard of my Shopify store. So if I am accessing this one, so you can also see that we have the home page here. So we have the home page and we have other products underneath, and we have the add to cart and all. So you know that I have already added few products. So if I am clicking on this one, so I will be redirected to this specific pop-up. And you know that if I want the card buttons, PayPal card buttons, so I want the cart page only, right? So I need to remove this one first. So if you are using the narrative theme, then you need to go to the dashboard and then click on customize. So I have opened it up in the new tab. So I will be removing this one first. So let me show you how you can do that. So once you are opening this one, then you will be getting this theme settings. So you need to click over it, and then you have the cart drawer. So once you click over there, then you need to uncheck this button which is show cart drawer. So I will be saving this one. And now if you will be refreshing this page once again, and now I am going to click on this specific cart button icon, and I will be redirected to this specific cart page. All right, so I am interested to show the buttons over here. So what I will be doing over here is like I need to click on action, then need to click on the edit code. So this will be just showing me the screen where I could able to see the files. All right, so there are a lot of folders over here. You need to click on sections. So inside the sections we have the cart dash template.liquid. So you need to click over it. So now we are good to go with this one, right? So if you are interested to show any specific message to confirm that we are over here on the cart page or not, so we can do that as well. So let me show you how. So for example, I am interested to show a small message here like h1 tag, and then I'm gonna write here hello world. So if I'm gonna save this one and let me refresh this page, so you can see that I got the message hello world. So that means we are on the cart page. All right, so now we need to inject the code of the PayPal. So we need to search here paypal.com, sorry, developer.paypal.com/demo/checkout. So once you are searching this specific URL, then you will be redirected to the demo. So here is the demo. So what you have to do is you have to copy this specific script line number 15 from here, and then you need to paste it on the top. So I'm gonna paste it over here. Then after, so make sure that you need to replace SB here with the client ID. So client ID equal to SB. So you need to replace these two letters, SB with the client ID. So if you don't know how to find the client ID from your PayPal account, I will be adding the link into the description. I have explained each and everything that how you can get the client ID from your PayPal account. So please follow that link and you will be getting the client ID. So next thing that we need to copy from here is like this specific script. So I'm gonna copy this script from line number 17 to 42. Then I am going to copy this one and let me paste it on the same place where I have written the hello world. So you have also seen that I have written here the hello world. So this line I am going to replace with, I will be replacing with the other code, but I need to add the script on the line 269. So I have added that one. So you have the fixed value here. So we will be making it dynamic shortly. So let's keep it $10. So then again you need to come back over here. You need to copy the line number 12 from here and then paste it on in place of hello world, which is 251 line number. So let's save this, and this is saved. So now let's refresh this one. So you can see that we got both these PayPal buttons over here. So you know that one more thing I wanted to discuss with you is like, for example, you are clicking on the PayPal, then you will be getting this specific pop-up over there. You need to log in and then do the payment. So if you are interested to click on debit or credit card, then you will be getting a small form here. So in that form the customer will able to fill all the details of the credit card or its debit card. So once those would be filled, and then you could able to receive the payments from your customers. So yeah, this is opening now. All right, so actually it is taking some time to load all the things. So finally we got the form over here, and once everything would be filled, like card details over here, first name and last name, then billing address and all, then shipping address as well, then pay now. Once he will be clicking on the pay now, then that would be the payment would be done. So let's do one thing. I wanted to hide this specific checkout button. So how I will be doing that is I am going to click on inspect. Then after I need to find out this specific button over here. So this button is like button submit, and the name of this button is checkout. So let me see over here. So you know that we have this button like type submit and name is checkout. So let's add a CSS over here like display none. So if you will be writing here display none, that means the button get hidden. So let me tell you how you can add the CSS for this one. So I am gonna add the CSS on the top. So for example, underneath this one I am going to write here style, then I have to write here again the style, and inside of the style I will be writing here cart underscore form, and inside of it we have the button, and then we will be writing here display none. So you will ask me the question that where is the cart form. So actually here is the cart form. So this is the form. So this is the class name actually. So inside of it we have this one. So that's why I have written the dot cart form, and inside of that we have one button. And now let me save this one and let's see this will be working or not. Cart form, FORM. and let's save this one, and let me refresh this page once again. So let's see this is working or not. Okay, this is not working. Okay, sorry, here we have the cart underscore underscore form. So we need to write here cart underscore, one more underscore, and then form. And once we are saving this one, and let me refresh this one once again. So if I will be saving this one, then the button would be removed. Yes, so the button is removed now. So actually if we are just collecting the amount from the customers directly, so we need to disable this specific checkout page so that the customer would not be redirected to the checkout page, right? So once he will be clicking on PayPal or maybe debit or credit card, then he will able to do the payment easily. So now let's see how we can make our amount dynamic. So that is the important part as well. So we have added here the script, so you need to go down here. Then I am going to write the syntax. So this is the syntax of the Shopify. So I need to write here cart dot so here you will be getting the value that how they have accessed. Yeah, this one is cart dot total price. So you need to cart dot total price, and you know, if we are adding only the price, then this price would not be looking good. So let me show you why. So for example, I am writing here hello world, and let me save this one. And if I am just refreshing this one, and you know that you will be getting the message hello world. So now I am going to display the value here so that we could get the confirmation that what type of value we are going to assign. So over here we are going to write the same syntax, and then cart dot total price. So let's save this one, and let me refresh this one once again. So I have refreshed this once again, and you can see that 1499. So this is not the correct value. So what we're gonna do here is, like, we will be writing here divided by divided underscore by. So we need to write here 100.0. So dot 0 means floating value. So I have saved it now. So let me refresh this one once again. So if you will be refreshing the page once again, then you will be getting 14.99. So that means this is the right value. So we will be again copying this specific code from here. So I'm gonna actually cut this one, and I'm also going to remove this specific line because I have not needed now. So I'm going to paste it over here. So this would be cart dot total underscore price, pipe symbol, then we have divided by colon 100.0. So in this way the value would be the accurate value which we have required, right? So if I will be refreshing this page, and you know that if the customers would be doing the payment now, so the value would be accurate, so there would not be any problem, right? So I think you got the basic understanding that how I did all the changes. So you should also follow all the steps which I have completed up till now, and definitely you will be good to go with this specific process. And one more thing, like I like to mention here is, like you will be knowing that if we are providing this functionality, then what about the orders on the dashboard? So you know, you will not able to get the orders on directly on the dashboard. You will be getting the shipping address and billing address onto your PayPal account. From there you need to copy, and then manually you need to do the orders for your customers from the seller, right? So at that point of time, the seller would be doing the shipping for your customers, and then the order would be fulfilled for your customers, right? because currently we are just trying to bypass the checkout page of the Shopify and just trying to add the code so that we could collect the payment from our customers who are interested to pay using the credit debit card, right? So that's why we did such type of changes. Otherwise the option is that you need to upgrade your Shopify plan to your Shopify Plus plan that actually costs $2,000 each month. So that is really difficult for us. So if you are interested to manage the orders as well, then you need to get the checkout.liquid file that is actually disabled by the Shopify for now, because you need to upgrade your plan, and then after they will be enabling you and you will able to do the customization according to your need. But for now we have the problem, we are trying to solve this issue. So that's why we have the only solution, which is I have already just explained you that you can do the changes on the cart page, and from there you can collect the payment from your customers. All right, so if you are still facing any issue, you can contact me. I will be adding the contact details on my description, so you can email me, you can WhatsApp me. So definitely I will try my best to give you the reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe this channel and like this video as well. So see you in the next video.